When you see a lightning storm pass through an area, the next day you'll notice that the plants will be really green. And that's because lightning breaks down the nitrogen in the air, and rainwater brings it to the soil as nitrate. This is natural fertilizer. Nitricity has figured out a way to artificially make our own lightning to create the cleanest, most efficient, and the least carbon-reliant fertilizer on Earth. This is revolutionary technology. We could only support about a third of our current global population without the synthetic production of nitrogen fertilizer. As a species, we need this to live. The problem is, the way we make it now is really bad for the environment. Conventional fertilizers contribute to climate change through all steps. These fertilizers are produced hundreds or thousands of miles away from the farmers that need it in a process that uses coal or natural gas. For every 1 pound of fertilizer put into the soil today, as many as 8 pounds of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions are released into the sky. And the big kicker is that the fertilizers getting to farms are not those that are best for farmers in their fields. They're strongly optimized instead for factories and freight. Nitricity produces fertilizer fundamentally differently than has ever been done before. We use just air, water, and renewable electricity. We're installing an extension to an irrigation pump in a shipping container, and in that container it takes electricity from an adjacent solar array, containerizes lightning, and we use that to produce fixed nitrogen in solution with water, and then inject it into existing irrigation systems. With our lightning fertilizer, a tiny fraction of a pound of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions is all that's left. We profoundly decarbonize the process. We care about working with farmers. We enjoy being on farms and developing something that produces fertilizer where it is needed, and in the forms and the type that is needed, and discovering what that may be for each farmer we work with. Nitricity's origin story really embodies the idea of perseverance and grit in starting a business, because it's tough, especially if you're trying to do something that's hardware-based, that's energy-based, that's new. The very first seed was probably when I met with Josh in the basement of a building in Stanford campus, and he was working on a technology that made a type of fertilizer. We got more and more exciting, and we thought there was something interesting here. We built and looked at 26 different technologies, and none of them worked. When you're building something and it's 100 degrees outside and you're not totally sure if it's going to work yet, you got to have a right group that can carry on, and it took years. But we're great co-founders together, mostly because we all have this common interest and are absurdly excited about fertilizer and making it with solar. The long, hard days, work, and the hot summer sun will definitely bring you closer. For entrepreneurs looking at clean energy technology, go for the hard problems. Not necessarily the low-hanging fruit, but go for the really big, hard problems to solve, and then don't give up. My name is Nicolas Pinkowski, and I'm a co-founder and the CEO of Nitricity, Inc.